So check out this bad boy. Here's what happened. So I'm gonna put my weight on my brand new handmade rope wrench, and I will let you know how it goes. I'm using a Michoacan as my friction hitch, and then like I said, my handmade rope wrench. The limb is way up there, can't really see it. I'll take some video of it from up top. So here we go. We are at the top, well, almost at the top. This is that big bad limb that's in the way. I need to get up underneath it. We'll take this sucker down. All right, so what we got here is the limb there broke off, and I've got a wedge here on this limb right here. It's wedged in, you know, on either side there. I'm gonna take both of these pieces off, and what I might do is cut it from the top and let it just slide off of that bottom limb is what I'm considering doing. What I'm afraid of doing is cutting that other limb off right there and it finish breaking and coming down on top of me, but I might be able to get to it if I go around the other side of the tree.
So what I actually ended up doing was cutting the limb here, and once those two pieces fell, I went up top and cut what was remaining, and it fell clean to the bottom, no problem.
So check out this bad boy. Here's what happened. See all that, it looks like ice, but I don't think it is. Maybe. No, well, maybe just frozen sap, but it just cracked. Maybe some of the arborist buddies could tell me what they think happened here exactly. Either way, she's coming down. It's just working fantastically, man. Love it. Sure does make this knot much easier to move than when you're trying to do it, you know, just on a regular, you know, without that extra friction from the friction hitch up there. Anybody who doubted my stitching, it's there. All right, we're at the bottom. Let's kick this bad boy out of the way. Touchdown, baby. No damage to the rope, nothing. Homemade, hand-stitched tether, friction hitch. 30 bucks if you don't count the rope. If you count buying the rope and all the other stuff, maybe 50. I like making stuff. I'm out.